Good morning, engineering students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine and you have completed your yesterday homework, right? I know my students are very good. They are very energetic and they complete their work on time. So, without wasting our time, let's start today's class. Okay? So, are you excited? Okay, fine. So, let's start. And remember one thing, keep your textbook with you. Today you need your textbook. Okay, take out your maths book fast and take out your pencils. Okay, so let's proceed the class. Okay. Okay, students. So now, before starting the subtraction chapter, keep your books at the side. First, we will revise the tables. Yes, I know that I have told you to learn the tables and many of you have done that. But every day, we will be revising the table for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, students? So, let's start. So now, first repeat with me and then you will revise once again by yourself. Okay? So start. 2 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. Okay, now here it is written of 11 and 12, but that is not required. We have to do up to 10. Okay, so now repeat once again. 2 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. And 2 10s are 20. Okay, now repeat by your own. Okay, fine. Now let's revise the table of 3. 3 1 is 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27. 3 10s are 30. Now repeat once again with me. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27. 3 10s are 30. So now repeat once again by your own. Okay, so now we have done the revision of tables. Okay, student. So now let's proceed further. Now today we are going to do this checkpoint. It is on the page number 42. Take out your maths textbook. I told you that today we need maths book. So now take out your maths book and your pencil and we will be solving this here. Okay, now take out. Everybody take out page number 42 I'm writing here page number 42. And now write down all of you date here where it is written checkpoint. Write down date. That is 7/7/2020. All of you write the date, and it's a classwork, so you can mention CW. Okay? Do this. And that should be there in the books. Okay? I will be checking it. Done? Okay, now let's start the checkpoint. So now see here, student, the first question is 42 minus 42. If we subtract the same numbers, we get what? 0. Okay? So now write 0. My 0 is not looking good to me. So now I am erasing it and I will write again. Okay? You also have to write neatly. Okay? So now we will write here 0. Okay? Now the second one. 32 minus 31. Right? So 32 minus 31 is, we have to subtract here 1 from 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. And 3 minus 3 is 0. So if you want, you can write here 0. Otherwise, you can leave it. Okay? So write down the second one. Now next is dash minus 28 equals to 1. So now what we have to write? Do you know how to do this? The easiest way, I am telling you. This is 28 and this is 1. Whenever the blank is here, what you can do? You can add these two numbers. Then you will get the answer. So 28 plus 1 is 29. So write here 29. 29 minus 28 equals to 1. Isn't it easy? If you want, you can also make the symbol so that you don't get confused. Write down, students. Done? Okay. Now, next is 65 minus dash equals to 0. What we have to minus to get 0? Yes, we have to write the same number. That is 65. Correct. Write down. Okay, next. 47 minus dash equals to 1. So what we have to write here? 47 minus dash equals to 1. Here we have to minus something so that we can get 1 here. So what we have to do? We will write here 47 minus 46. So 7 minus 6 is 1. Okay? Got it? We have to write here the predecessor number of this. We have written the predecessor number of 47 here so that we can know the answer. Done? Now next is 16 minus 0 equals to. So now, if we subtract 0 from any number, what number we get? We get the same number. Very good. Done? Now, next is 52 minus 1. That equals to what? If we are subtracting 1, we will get the predecessor number or before number. So 52 minus 1 is 51. Okay? Now next, 91 minus dash equals to 91. So what I have to write here? If we will subtract 0, then only we will get the same number. Right, students? Okay. Now after that, there is the question 77 minus 1. Now, so what we have to write? The predecessor number. 77 minus 1 is 76. All of you complete this. And students, I really want this. The date should be mentioned there. Classwork should be mentioned there. This you have to mention in the page number 42. I have written the page number also so that you don't get confused. Complete this much. Now after that we will proceed further. Done? Okay. Now let's proceed with the next page. Now I have told you yesterday that we are going to do tomorrow we will understand how to subtract without regrouping. Now what does it mean? What does regrouping mean? We have to do that. Okay. So now always remember whenever we are doing subtraction, we have to see that if a number is at the ones place, we will subtract only from the ones place, right? So this will be the same column. It will be in the same column, right? So ones column is this one. I have highlighted this so that you can see it properly. Now I am going to explain you. Okay. So now, how to subtract without regrouping? Now first, subtract the ones place. So what we have to do? We have to subtract the ones place. So now 6 minus 3 is, if we subtract 3 from 6, what we will get? We will get 3. Okay? Now, whenever we are subtracting, we have to take care of this, that whenever we are doing subtraction, one's column will be different, and then there is tens column, then 100 columns. So we have to take care of this, students. Whenever we are subtracting, we will subtract ones from ones and then tens from tens. Got it? We can only subtract tens place from tens. But yes, if we need borrow, that is a different thing. Okay? That I will explain you in the next class. Today you have to understand only this much. Okay? So now I have highlighted the tens column. Now we will do the solution. So now we have to subtract 5 from 8. So 8 minus 5 is, yes, 3. So see students, I have subtracted ones in one row, tens column in another row. Now it's time for 100. So now I will again change the ink so that it could be clear to you. Okay? Okay. Now see here. You can see I have highlighted all the columns. Now let's do the solution. Let me choose the pen. So now 9 minus 6, that is also 3. So what we have got answer? We have got 3, 3, 3. But how to read it, students? How we will read this? Do you know? Okay. So let's write that. 3 is at the 100 place. So what we will write? 300. No need to write this in your copy. This is just an explanation part, students. Please don't write in your copy. Okay? No need to write this. So now 300, and at tens place there is 3. So what we will write here? 30. And then at the ones place there is 3. So we will write 333. Got it? But now you have to understand it clearly that how to do this. Whenever you are going to do the subtraction, please be very careful that you will do the subtraction of ones place together, then tens place together, and then the 100 place. That should be the sequence. You can't start from the 100 place. Always you have to start the subtraction from the ones place. Got it? And then how to read it? You should know that. Okay? So 333. Understood, students? Okay. Now let's proceed further. Now all of you take out your page number 48. See, we have to do today page number 48, exercise 3.1. Now students, here also you have to mention the date. Okay. Now write down here at the corner or anywhere you can write date. This is 7. Write down date and classwork. Write down date. And then I will show you how to subtract. Okay? Everybody has taken out page number 48? Okay. So, today we will be doing 10 questions. You can see here there are total 20 questions. 10 students I will be teaching you. I will be doing in the class. And the rest of the 10 questions you have to do by your own. So, this I am going to show you. Okay? So, now I have taken a blank page so that I can show you the subtraction properly. Okay? Now, let's start the first question. See, question heading is, I am writing the heading also here. The heading is find the difference. Right? This is the question. Now, we will do one by one each and every question. Now, the first one. First question is 4, 6, 8, and here it is written 2, 1, 5. Okay, this is the question. Now, first we have to subtract what? Which place? Ones. So, this is what? Ones. This is what? Tens. This is what? 100. Right? So, now subtract. 8 minus 5 is? If we subtract 5 from 8, what we will get? Yes, 3. Right there, 3. Now, 6 minus 1, 5. 4 minus 2, 2. Done? Now, we will do the second question. Second question is 987 and 381. Now subtract it. 7 minus 1 is 6. 8 minus 8 is 0. 9 minus 3 is 6. Done? If you have space, you can also write the answers like this. Now I am doing the third question here. Third question is 705 and 204. Now let's subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. 7 minus 2 is 5. Yes. I know that you can do it by your own. So I am doing some question. After that you will continue. Then 4. Fourth is 780 minus 460. Okay. 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 6 is 2. 7 minus 4 is 3. So now we got the answer. Now the fifth question. The fifth question is 578 minus 75. See students, that is the important thing. This is ones place, this is tens, this is 100. There is no number here at the 100th place. So you have to be very careful. Okay. So now 8 minus 5 is 3. 7 minus 7 is 0. When there is no number, it means it's 0. So 5 minus nothing is there, or we can say it's 0. Then it is the same number. So now I have done the 5 question. Now you also try to do the 5 question. Do 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 by your own right now. Try to do it. All of you try to do 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 by your own. Do it students. Till now I am writing answers here. You can check your answer. Match your answers. I don't want that anybody is writing wrong. So please check your answer from here. And the rest of the question you have to do. Okay? Now do it. Now do the rest of the question. I'm giving you 5 minutes for doing it. Do it. And then we will check the answer. And no cheating students, you have to do by your own. Don't take help from the book or somewhere else. Try to do by your own. Students, try to do by your own. Don't check the answers from the back. Okay, so now I am writing the answer here. 7 minus 7 is 0. And here we have to take borrow, right? No, it's 8. Okay, fine. 8 minus 4 is 4. Then it's 9. So the answer is 940. Now here 9 minus 4, that is 5. 8 minus 8 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now here 6 minus 4 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. Now here we have to take borrow, right? 18. This will be now 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. So 7 has given one number here. So this will be now 6. So 6 minus 4 is 2. And 2 minus 1 is 1. Next. Here also we have to take borrow. So this will be now 5. And this is 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. And 5 minus 2 is 3. And 4 minus 3 is 1. Now please check your answers. Match the answers. Match your answers. And this is not required to write. This I was just explaining. Okay, complete this. Match your answer. The first answer is 253. Second is 606. Then third is 501. Fourth is 320. 5 is 503. 6 is 940. Match your answer. 7 is 205. Then 8 is 322. 9 is 129. And 10th is 138. Have you checked your answers? Done? Okay. So that much is for today. Only this much you have to do today in the classwork as a classwork. Now I am going to show you the homework. Now this is your homework part. So now what you have to do is you have to write there in question 11 to 16. That's a homework. So mention their homework. It is in the same page, page number 48. And date you have already written there. So no need to write it again. Just only mention here in up to 11 to 16. Just simply write here homework. Okay? Write down. And now you have to do question 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Do this much and then I will discuss the answer in the next class. Okay? Is it clear, students? Okay. So now that much is only for you today. And now what you have to do is you have to complete your homework and stay connected with us. And if you have any query, please ask in WhatsApp group. Okay, students? Take care, stay safe, stay home, bye. And we'll next meet on tomorrow. Take care, beta. Bye. Thank you.